What is the recommended amount of coffee grounds to use in a French press per tablespoon?
Hello, coffee lovers! Today, we're going to learn about the art of brewing coffee with a French press. One of the most important factors in brewing the perfect cup is getting the coffee-to-water ratio just right. We'll be focusing on how many tablespoons of coffee grounds to use in your French press.
What is a French press?
The French press, also known as a press pot or plunger pot, is a simple and classic way to make coffee. The device consists of a carafe, usually glass, and a stainless steel mesh filter attached to a metal plunger. The brewing process involves steeping coffee grounds in hot water and then pressing the plunger down to separate the grounds from the liquid. This results in a full-bodied and richly flavored cup of coffee.
How much coffee should you use?
The general rule of thumb when brewing coffee in a French press is to use a 1:15 coffee-to-water ratio. This means for every 1 gram of coffee, you'll need 15 grams or milliliters of water. But if you're using tablespoons to measure your coffee, the conversion isn't as straightforward. Approximately, 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds weighs about 5 grams. So, if you're brewing a single serving, about 8 ounces or 237 milliliters, you'll need around 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. This recommendation is just a starting point, though. Coffee is very personal, and you may prefer a stronger or milder cup. So don't hesitate to adjust the amount of coffee to match your taste.
What are the steps to brew the perfect cup?
Once you've measured your coffee, it's time to brew. Here's a brief step-by-step guide. 1. Heat your water to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius. 2. Add the coffee grounds to your French press. 3. Pour the hot water over the grounds. 4. Stir the coffee grounds with a spoon. 5. Let the coffee steep for 4 minutes. 6. Slowly press the plunger down. 7. Pour your coffee immediately to prevent over-extraction. So, there you have it, the perfect French press coffee. Remember, starting with 2 tablespoons of coffee for every 8 ounces of water is a good guideline, but feel free to tweak it to your liking. With a little practice, you'll be making barista-quality coffee in no time. Enjoy your brewing journey and, most importantly, your delicious cup of coffee. Cheers!